Ready to drop into the battle bus and experience the thrill of Fortnite, but don't have it on your device yet? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to play Fortnite using TapTap, a fantastic app that lets you download and play games not always readily available worldwide. First things first, ensure you have TapTap installed on your phone, and it should appear on your phone's home screen. Let's dive in. Open the TapTap application by simply tapping the icon on your screen. Within the application, use the search bar, which typically resides at the top, and type Fortnite. TapTap has a vast collection of games, and this is where you will search for yours. Next, select the Fortnite game from the search results that show. Be very careful to select the official verified version of the game here to avoid the download of any sketchy or potentially harmful app. Once on the Fortnite game page, you should see a big, inviting download button which you should press. TapTap will then begin the download process for Fortnite, which depending on your internet speed, may take some time due to the game size. Keep an eye on the progress bar from the TapTap interface, which shows the download percentage. After the download is complete, TapTap will guide you through the initial setup process. After install, access the game through the icon. TapTap installs, then begin playing. Log into your existing Fortnite account, or create a new one. Congratulations, you now have Fortnite playable. The interface and playstyle are exactly as you would expect, but will have to become familiar with the in-game touch controls, which are intuitive. Go forth and have fun. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips. #TapTapFortnite #gaming